What is probate and what does it mean for your family? My name is Zach, founder of FastWill. Today, I'm breaking down the probate process, what it is, how long it takes, and how to make it as easy as possible on the people you love. Probate is the court supervised process your state uses to settle your estate after you pass away. The court validates your will, appoints someone to manage your estate, pays your debts and taxes, and distributes your assets. If you have children under 18, it also appoints their guardian. A will is a set of instructions for that court to specify who manages your estate, who gets your assets, who raises your kids. If you die without a will, the state distributes everything according to its own formula. Think of it this way: if you don't make a will, the state makes one for you. This typically takes 6 to 18 months, depending on the size and complexity of your estate. First, the court confirms your will is legally valid and appoints your executor, or picks one itself if you didn't name one. The second, and often the longest stage, is a legally required window where creditors can file claims against your estate for outstanding debts. Your executor inventories everything you own, files final tax returns, and pays remaining debts. A final stage is to determine what's left and what gets distributed to your beneficiaries. Most people think having a will lets you skip probate. It doesn't. A will makes probate smoother, but your estate still goes through the process, it's still public record, and the court still has final say over who gets what. The only way to avoid probate is with a trust. Assets inside a trust aren't legally owned by you, they're owned by the trust. And given that a trust doesn't die, the assets pass directly to your beneficiaries privately without court involvement. Today, avoiding probate is easier and more affordable than ever. At FastWill, you can create a complete trust package from home in as little as 45 minutes for around $500. This package includes your trust, will, power of attorney, healthcare proxy, and deed transfer to make sure your assets are transferred into your trust. 45 minutes of simple questions now will avoid 6 to 18 months of court process for your family later. That's the trade. Thanks for watching. If you're working on your estate plan, check out the rest of our Learn Center. We've broken down every piece of this process in plain English.